and information that we have not seen in the previous pipe instrumentation diagram and is not shown too often is the action of the controller. If the controller is the direct control or reverse control. In this case, for the suction pressure controller, we have a reverse control. In the other hand, for the discharge of the compressor, we have a direct action. And let's understand what it means. When this recirculation valve will get the gas from the discharge of the compressor and will send to the inlet of the compressor. The main purpose of this PIC 251 is to keep the suction pressure at a desired condition. So if the pressure decreases and I need to return my pressure to the desired condition, what happens is that the signal that I will send to this control valve is for opening. I am reducing the pressure at the suction and I will increase the signal to this control valve opens. So I have reverse conditions for my process, and because of that is reverse. Now let's take a look at the discharge. In the discharge, I want to let my discharge at a desired pressure also. So if the pressure at the discharge increases, I need to open my control valve to reduce the pressure. So you will always compare the situation, what is happening with the variable that is being measured with the desired condition that you want to. So to relieve the excess of gas that I have at the discharge, I need to increase the signal to my control valve. So as I increase the value of the variable and I need to increase the value of the signal to the control valve, I have a direct action. In the opposite, as I reducing the value of the process and I need to increase the signal to the control valve, I have reverse action. This is a rule of thumb. This kind of condition depends a lot if the valve is fail closed, if it is fail open. It is a good way to identify the action of your control in the piping and instrumentation diagram.